going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be installing full Android system on my 2022 Honda Accord. So this one usually works with the cars that has a wired Apple CarPlay. So this one would suitably work if I still had my 2019 Honda Accord, which is the 1.5. And on my 2.0 right now, my Apple CarPlay is wireless. However, with this kit, I'm going to be able to stream YouTube and Netflix on my info system. So right now, we're going to be installing this on my 2.0, and I'm going to show you on how to install it. Okay guys, so as for this unit, it's going to come with the user manual, and also nano SIM and micro SD is not included. So the nano SIM card, it's pretty much just like the SIM card that you have on your phone. So that supports 4G LTE, I believe, and so you could watch and stream on your info system without any hindrance, or even without using your phone, in my understanding. And also it's gonna come with the AI box, and right over here it's covered. This is where the SIM card goes, the nano SIM, and also the micro SDs over here, and the power plug is going to be here. And also it's going to come with the USB-C and a regular USB as well. So if you have a wireless charging pad, as for me, I hardly use this because I find this wireless charging pad, it's kind of slow for me. So sometimes I use the USB cable to charge my phone and whatnot. So for the meantime, I'm going to be placing this AI box right here. That's where I'm going to be placing it, since I don't really use the wireless charging pad. So let's go ahead and install this. So right now I'm using my iPad to record. It's kind of hard to like hold it. I got my camera. So what we're going to do, I just plugged in the power cord, and also insert it right here for USB. And next we're just gonna wait for the system to read it. All right, so when it's reading the system, it's gonna come up to be like this. And look at that, it has YouTube Music, YouTube app, Spotify, and Netflix, and it comes to Waze as well. So what we're gonna do is go to settings, and let's connect it Bluetooth, pair new device, and let me just turn the Bluetooth on my phone. And there you go. So just wait until it pops up wherever your device, your phone, whatever that you want to connect. So you just press on it and you're pairing it. So these numbers are going to pop up, and as well as along with your screen, as you can see. And just, I don't know if you want to connect your contacts and call history. I'm just skip that for now. Click pair. Now it's pairing. One thing to note, guys, so while pairing your device, your AI, so right over here, whatever the device's name, right over here, whatever the device's name is going to appear here, it should appear on your phone as well. And at the same time, you have to connect on the AutoKit T box as well. So once that's successful, you've successfully connected your Bluetooth, this Bluetooth icon right here, it's going to turn blue. So let's go try this. And now after connecting your Bluetooth, as you can see right over here, the Bluetooth sign is on, and now it says on blue. Let's connect on Bluetooth right there, and let's try to play some music. There you go. Now, okay, so let me just stop that before I get a copyright. So now we know that the Bluetooth is connected. Now we're gonna go connect to let's see, to the Wi-Fi settings. After that, we're gonna hit on Wi-Fi. The mobile network, that is for if you opt in for the SIM card. And on top of that, you're just gonna use Wi-Fi, and make sure that you turn on your hotspot. So once you find your phone right over here, it's gonna pop up, and then it's going to ask you to enter your password, which I did. So there you go. Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi is connected. Just go back and let's do Google Maps. As you can see, now you're connected into it. And also let's do YouTube. There you go. And also, if you want your personal YouTube, like whatever you've been watching, you're gonna need to sign in. So pretty much all YouTube app, YouTube Music as well, you're gonna have to sign in. And also Spotify, which is common sense. And let's try Netflix. So I've signed in already. And there you go. Let's do Lucifer. And press play. Let's see how the resolution. Let's see. Now it's loading. See the volume. Here you go. The quality is pretty good. And let's just stop there now. So the quality is pretty good. The sound is good. And I highly recommend this if you do have a wired CarPlay and you want to do just like wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. This is actually a pretty good device for you. So if you guys want to grab a set for yourself, I'll leave the product link down by the description box below. And also at the same time, this is beneficial for you if you have a wired Apple CarPlay or wired Android Auto. And it's gonna make your life easier. It's just gonna be wireless Apple CarPlay and you're gonna enjoy it. At least that's less wires in your car. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys find this video very informative and entertaining. So just a piece of advice, when you're installing this product, it's gonna get tricky at first, but then eventually along the way it gets easier, since it's very straightforward and it's very easy to install. And at the same time, if you do have a SIM card, if you opt into it and not want to use your phone, just like what I showed you, it's going to be on the mobile settings and it's going to act as a phone. But if you just want to use your phone as the device to connect it to, you're going to have to go to Wi-Fi and turn on your hotspot. So what I think about this product overall is I actually like it, and I'm pretty sure I'm definitely sure that my girlfriend's gonna like it, more like love it, since we do go for drives here and there, and at the same time we do get some takeouts and eat in the car. We try not to eat a lot in the car, and aside from that, we do binge watch on Netflix. So yeah, it's gonna benefit us. So it's like another way for us to like have a quality time together. We could just watch Netflix on my info system and eat at the same time. So now it's time to announce the winners for the giveaway from my last video. So I'm gonna show the comments in the next few seconds. If you won, just DM me on Instagram and I'll make sure to get back to you so I could send you your prices. And yeah, on top of that, congratulations to you guys. And to be honest with you guys, it was very tough for me to decide who won and who gets to get first prize, second prize, third prize, and whatnot. I actually had help. I asked someone else to decide for me, because if I could decide, I would give everybody the floor mats
but unfortunately it's I had to be fair. So yeah, so if you guys didn't win, there's gonna be more prizes, more giveaway in the next few videos, so just stay tuned into that one. And so yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe to your boy if you haven't. Let's try to get into 2,000 subscribers, and we're almost there with 400 more subscribers, but we'll get there eventually. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.